Hare Krishna, all glory to A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada, humble obeisances to LalGovind Prabhuji and all devotees. My dad has always wanted to travel by cruise, but since my mom has vertigo, he never planned any cruise trip. But the calling came after 34 years by the grace of Radha Madhav and LalGovindDas Prabhuji for Srimad Bhagavatam on MSc Europa. By Krishna's mercy, my mom only had to take the sickness pill once during the entire trip. Thank you, Prabhuji, for the in-depth explanation of each word in the shloka. You made it very easy to understand. Our Mahatirth Yatra was on the world's largest cruise. It can't get any better than that. My dad is the one who thought of other full forms of MSc. The cruise was great, but the Katha by Prabhuji was the cherry on the cake. We truly enjoyed the Kathas and the Kirtan, and we missed them once the Yatra was over. Also, this MSc trip was incomplete. My two siblings, Ravina and Ashni, were missed. Along with them, the Nairobi picnic group congregation too. And that's why, Prabhuji, we are eagerly waiting for you in Nairobi, Kenya. Hare Krishna from this MSc.